Never again. I'll never do that again. I can't even see. Literally, I got hit in the eye so hard with snow and ice. Thank you guys for the stoke. Good morning, Nub Nation. Happy New Year. Today I'm waking up with a hope and a dream in my heart. Here's the story, pretty much as simply put as it can be. I went down to the Cape May Ferry yesterday because my buddy Tanner was down there. He drove overnight from North Carolina to catch a wave. And I was like, yeah, I'll come down and coach you into the perfect wave. I'll get the shot for you. Tanner has helped me score multiple novelty waves. He's like a ferry wave expert, so he never rode the Cape May Ferry before, so he wanted to come up and try it out. Lo and behold, the first boat comes in, biggest right I've ever seen. I'm like, whoa, something's going on here. Then the left peels out, one of the cleanest, most perfect lefts I've ever seen in my life. So then I was like, all right, I gotta get back, because me and Jordan are moving into the new house, so I've been working on that heavy. Went back, Tanner sends me a cell phone video midday. He's like, dude, I don't know how this just happened, but this right was even bigger. He sends me a freaking like 5-foot right that some random person filmed off the rocks. Lo and behold, all these amazing things laid out right in front of me just after I had said that I wasn't done with the Cape May Ferry. It looks like 2022, something else is gonna happen. So here we are today. I know the conditions are proper for the ferry, so I know we have an opportunity here. I got a razor thin margin to make it down for the first boat, but we are going for it. Welcome to the dream. Good morning, Nub Nation for the win. When's the last time you saw a weather forecast that said 100% humidity?
Never.
Never? There's 100% humidity today.
I know, and 100% rain. Nothing new.
Nothing new for you.
Nothing new for me.
Just got down here. Foggiest day of the year. Literally can't even see 10 feet in front of you, so stressful, not gonna lie. My belief system, thought process of this wave even happening right now is pretty low. 2022 starting out heavy, so wish me luck. Literally can't see 10 feet in front of me. Unbelievable. Let's go. Oh, the boat's here. The boat's really, really early. Here we go. Can't see anything. No idea if there's a wave coming. We'll see. I think he's trying to hook it up as much as he can. It looks like he is. We'll see if it's gonna be a bomb or not. Can't tell. Way inside. Big problems out here today. Not sure if it was the small boat. Not sure if luck is not on my side in 2022. Not sure if the fog made the boat slow down. Not sure if you can't ferry surf 2 days in a row. A lot of unanswered questions. So, we're going back to the house. Jordan wants to do the polar bear plunge. She was bummed out that we didn't get to go. So we're gonna go dominate jumping into 40-degree water in our board shorts. This is it. 2022. Are you bad luck?
I hope not. It's the rain.
Welcome back to the show.
Now, All right, here we are in the car. Woke up this morning, said, I'm not going to the polar bear plunge. Jordan started crying. We went down to the ferry. The ferry screwed us over big time. We drove all the way back, 1 hour, to go to the polar bear plunge. Jordan is now happy, but now she's questioning if she even wants to do it now.
Well, it's rain. It wasn't raining this morning.
Yes, it was. That's why I canceled on you.
No, you canceled on me because you wanted to surf the ferry.
So here we are. We're on our way to the beach, and this is happening. 40-degree ocean water.
Maybe they're going.
And most generous in the state of New Jersey, over $850,000 raised. Let's give them a nice round of applause. Woo!
God, why? Why?
Go back and do it!
Go feel the water.
This ain't right.
Ben, I don't know if I can do it!
No, you don't.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We survived.
But
Happy New Year's! Happy freaking New Year's!
I think what happened.
Good morning. It is 5:30 a.m. here in New Jersey. There is potential for a shoulder high wave this morning. It's been flat for a while, so we're taking that potential and we are going to go try to surf. Good morning for the dream. And my camera's going to die soon, but I don't know where I put all the batteries. So we're just going for it. This is surfing during a flat spell in New Jersey for the win. We found a legitimate message in a bottle. This is gnarly, dude. Gnarly, Charlie. Not to mention the tubes that are out there. All right, the waves are about as fun as waves get. Let's see what this message in a bottle has to offer. See what the claim is here. This sand in the bottle, this is either fake, or this is white sand. Like, this is not from New Jersey. Happy New Year, Mom. That's legendary. All right, let's go surfing for the dream. Woo! What's the claim?
The claim?
Nice beanie, by the way.
Thanks, dude. Got it at the foam records competition. Some guy gave it to me for winning my heat. I don't know his name. Claim is getting barreled.
I believe it. Woo! What's the claim?
Brother, since seeing you, it's fully nuking out there, bro. Bro, you're killing it, bro. Shout out to the Goblins. We're nobodies right now. We'll be somebody someday.
Yeah,
Next time I see you, I'll give you some merch.
Oh, yeah, dude.
We'll blow up a little bit.
Yeah, appreciate it.
You're the man, brother.
Take it easy.
How we going?
You too. What's the claim?
Head on over to my merch shop. You can pick up SS Hauser 31. We're out here with Ben Gravy. It's been epic.
Woo! What's the claim?
Playmates just had an epic session. Epic session. That's it.
Peace. All right, surf session this morning was all time. The forecast actually ended up coming through, so what a dream. Shoulder high pretty much. Wasn't super tubey, wasn't super powerful, but it was really, really fun. And went to sleep on New Year's Eve saying, I'm gonna ride more fiberglass in 2022. Woke up riding softies. All right, we woke up this morning and the snow is absolutely coming down. I believe they call this dumping. It's fully dumping outside. So I am about to get in this wetsuit right here. This Hyperflex 5'4". Most people would say, Ben, you're a maniac. You have to wear a 6'5". Not if you're wearing Hyperflex. 5'4" is gonna do it. So I'm getting in my wetsuit and we are going down to the beach, and it is a true winter wonderland outside. Holy wow.
Is it big? Oh my god, there's a lot of snow. I haven't seen snow like this here in a really long time.
Years. Yes.
Oh, look at the poor plant.
And I would just do burnouts. Snowiest day of the year. Boy, it's cold. Promise myself I'd get one. Literally, oh, for the dream. Even see, literally I got hit in the eye so hard with snow and ice. Guys, Thank you guys for the stoke. Thank you for the dream. If you liked the video, subscribe. Leave a comment and a thumbs up. Woo!